Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have this car here. It's a Chrysler Aspen 2007 8. It could be the same. This car have an issue that the car is shut off while you're driving, so on the road, and also the acceleration, the RPM will not go all the way there. It just stay here, and then you have a ABS light on, and checking your light was on with the code that related to throttle body P0134. We finished that one. The car respond good. We have a tire pressure light on, and this morning I think the check engine light come on, but the symptom of the car shutting off is not there anymore. So we are just gonna go and review, do we have the same code or there is something else? Okay. Okay, we are here. I'm going to the general page, and then from here you're gonna choose what you need. I hear like there is small misfire, but this is the car. I say okay. I will look for what code we have, but I feel like there's a little bit of misfire. So this is we are reading the VIN number. I will say okay. And now in a few seconds I'm gonna go to, let me auto scan the whole car, then full scan just to be sure what we have on the engine. Anything with the green, that's okay. EVAP, we have an EVAP code P047 EVAP system loose fuel cap. Okay, we don't have other codes, but we have like CAN bus circuit, ECU signal. We have couple of codes here. Tire pressure. Okay, I am going to report this. Escape this one here. I'm gonna wait if I will get report to cloud. I'm just gonna put I don't want to put a plate number here. Save. Odometer. I want to view it now. The engine code, I'm gonna send it to my cell phone. 75. Send it. Now backup. I'm gonna go back up again. Back up again. Quick erase. Airbag light also we have some code on airbag. They don't go away, but it's okay. So we have those codes, but it's still, I clear them, but they never go away. We are clearing the HSMS, heat seat module. That one take a little bit of time, I don't know why. But it's 100%. Maybe it's done. is clearing the code, not yet. But the engine is done. Meanwhile, I will check, I'll do a visual inspection for the gas tank. If it's loose or need to be replaced, or you need a vacuum, you need a evap test. Okay, here it is. Maybe need to be replaced, I'm not sure. Or maybe you have a leak. It depends. If you see that it doesn't work, the first thing you have to do is to get another one. Yes. It doesn't want to clear this one. Maybe it's free there, but we already know what we have, what is clear, what is not able to be clear. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.